I used to wear exhaustion like a badge of honor. 25 years as a nurse, and I thought that if I wasn't running on empty, I wasn't doing enough. I thought rest was for people who had it easy. I thought if I just pushed a little harder, gave a little more, I'd finally get to the place where it would all pay off. I was wrong, and it nearly cost me everything. If you've ever looked in the mirror and not recognized the tired, depleted person staring back at you, if you've ever kept showing up for everyone except yourself, I need you to stay with me for the next few minutes, because what I'm about to share changed the entire direction of my life. For over 2 decades, I was the nurse everyone could count on. I picked up the extra shift. I stayed late when someone called out. I showed up sick because I didn't want to let my team down. I told myself that was strength. But underneath it, I was disappearing. I wasn't sleeping. I wasn't eating right. I snapped at people I loved because there was nothing left in me. I remember sitting in my car in the hospital parking lot, still in my scrubs, crying before a shift even started, and then wiping my face, putting on a smile, and walking back in. The wake-up call didn't come all at once. It came in pieces. A health scare, a conversation with my husband, and realizing I couldn't remember the last time I was happy. That was the moment I made a decision. Not to quit caring, but to stop pouring from a cup that was empty. I started building a business, a purpose, a version of myself that didn't require me to disappear. Rest wasn't the enemy of success. Rest was the thing that made real, sustainable success possible. And if you're in that place right now, I want you to know there is another way. I built something specifically for you. It's my JUMPSTART guide called From Bedside to Business. Inside, I show you exactly how to move from burnout to building real income. Income designed around your life. Here's what to do. Click the link in the description. Put in your email address. You'll learn how to identify what's draining you and how to start generating real income without sacrificing your well-being. When you join my email community, you're stepping into a supportive community of women who are on the same journey. Women who get it. Let's start building your superpower together.